This is week 9 lessons, day 2, where I'm going to show you 3 different methods which has been shown to children who are particularly struggling with their maths at school. In particular, we try to discourage them from using finger counting. Having done that, you need obviously try to provide them with some other methods that they can use to do single digit addition with regrouping. So we've learned from method 1 previously using number 110 understanding. So if you want to add 7 more, you can't. So you need to bring the friend of 7 is 3 from there. So you got 3 left. And therefore 7 add 3 makes 10. Okay, add 3 is 13. The second method is using the doubling of number. For example, 6 at 7. So you break down 7 into another 6 so that you can double the number 6 and add 1 more. So 6 at 6 is 12. Add 1 more here, makes 13. The third method is, in the beginning, they did a lot of practice. How do you pinch 6 or 7? Okay, so ask them, how do you make 6 on the soroban? If they cannot remember, ask them to pinch 6. Usually they will do that straight away. So it's 5 and 1. How do you make 7? 5 and 2. Or do a bit of revision. How do you make 6, 7, 8, and 9? So 6 is made of 5 and 1. We are actually partitioning this into smaller bits of number. Then everybody knows what is 5 at 5. Even the weak children, everybody knows what is 5 at 5. If not, just you ask them to show one hand has got 5 fingers, another hand has got 5 fingers. How many fingers do you have is 10. So 5 at 5 is 10. 2 at 1 is 3. 10 at 3 is 13. Right? So that's those are the 3 methods that been used. And then what you need them to do is to practice this on the sheet. Okay, ask them to do the sheet where the regrouping really work when you need the third method that I've shown you just now. This third method is most popular with children who really struggle. They find this is the easiest. Okay, and so get them to do the branching on this page 41 and 42 and get them to do them by branching it out. 6, 5 and 1, 7, make 5 and 2, and then say 5 at 5 is 10, 2 at 1 is 3. By now, they know that 10 at 3 is 13. And this one, branch it out 5 at 4, and, well, actually it's 5 at 0. Then 5 at 5 is 10, 4 at 0 is 4, so it's 14. Now, that will only work with both side numbers 5 and bigger. Okay, and this bit, you can encourage them to think of number bond 10. So 9 at 1 is 10, 9 at 2 more. You can encourage them to say 9 in your head, count 2 more steps, or they can use the soroban to complete this, but try to get them to count in the head mentally. Now, this exercise is good to encourage them to count number forward and backward. So you start with 5, add 1 more is 6. 6, take away 1, count backward is a 5. 5 to 8, what happened to the number? Does the number go up? Yes. If the next number goes up, means you need to add. 5 add how many more makes 8? This is a good question. To encourage them to think of numbers differently. Then you got 8. Oh, 8, the next number is 9. What happened to the number to go to 9? You need to add 1. Now this one, 9 take away 2. Counting backward 2 step is 7. 7 to go to 9. Does the number go up? If the number goes up, means it's add. Add how many more? 2 more. Okay? So for example, this question, 5. What happened to the number? That the next number becomes 3. The number goes down. By how many? By 2. So that means it's take away 2. So get them to complete this page. And the next page as well, the number are slightly bigger, but the same principle. So this is a good practice. 21 to 24, does the number go up? Up. By how many? Go up. If it goes up, means add by 3. Oh, 24 to 22, does the number go up or down? Down. Means by how many? By 2, so minus 2. Okay, and get them to do this page as well. They can do the doubling of number, or they can do the branching method, and they can use the number bond 10. understanding.